Casa. Ciao Pirillo.
Toda la gente que fue. ¡Ay, agarra! ¡Un perro con lentes, mamá!
Okay, I'm gonna need that egg.
Despite all its power, the Kangal is a safe family dog. He is a dog with a great temperament, is docile and very friendly with children. His biggest problem...
Why do you have a puppy in the shoe?